Climb inside the 2009 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-kilometer mark. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.